In order to upload my web page to my X10 hosting account, I will need to have an FTP file transfer protocol software installed. On this computer, I don't have one. It's a brand new computer. So I'm going to go to FileZilla. And it's this first one right here, FileZilla, the free FTP solution. I'm going to go ahead and download the FileZilla client. Do not download the server. You want the client. I'm going to select that. I'm going to download. It knows that I'm on a Windows platform. I just want the free version. I'm going to select download. Save the file. I don't want any of these other forms of software. I'm going to close that. It should already be on my desktop. There it is. I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to agree. I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to right click and I'm going to pin this to my taskbar. All right, so this information you will need will come from your X10 host account. So you're going to need your credentials for your host, your username, your password, and your port. So let me go ahead and add those in. I'm going to pause the video and add this information in. All right, so I've added in my host, my username, my password, and I'm going to add in my port 21 and select Quick Connect. I'm going to save my password. I'm going to trust this. I'm going to say OK. Okay, so I've successfully connected to my X10 host account. On the left-hand side is my local computer, my local site, and on the remote side is X10 host. I'm going to go ahead and just drag this up, and I'm going to look for the public HTML folder. And I have several folders already in here. I'm going to look on my left-hand side for my CIS 123 folder. It's on my desktop, CIS 123. I'm going to go back just a bit here, back to desktop. Over here, my public HTML folder. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to upload that folder into my public HTML. So I'm going to say Upload. And there's my CIS 123 folder. And inside that's the week 2 folder, and the index, and then my image. Okay, so let me go and test this out in my browser. I have typed in my X10 host address into my URL. X10 host displays the index page of my directory structure. I'm going to choose the CIS 123 folder. I'm inside my CIS 123 folder. If I go to the week 2 folder, here is my index.html page. All I'm going to need for you to do is right-click, copy, go into Canvas, and then paste this URL into your Canvas week 2 assignment. I look forward to seeing your work. Thank you.